Welcome to today's graphing motion exercise. You'll need to download this worksheet here and take a look at these graphs. We're going to start with distance and time and thinking about it, and then looking at what different types of motions would look on a distance versus time graph. You will need to look and read through these parts because here's an accelerated object compared to something that's going at a constant rate. Pause the video and look at these different scenarios. Next, we will take a look at speed versus time graphs. Notice that now we're thinking in terms of speed on the y-axis instead of just distance on the y-axis. Again, pause the video and look at these scenarios. Now let's look at our first demonstration. Here the train pushes the cart at a constant rate. And if we were to graph that on a distance versus time axis, you'll see that it goes up at a constant rate. It's a nice straight line. Now, if we were to switch to a speed versus time graph, notice that the speed is fairly constant. Now go back to your worksheet, and on the bottom, there are some graphs set up for you, and you are going to have to draw in what you think represents the speed of the train. So in this case, we would find our pen and write by starting on the distance time graph what it looked like. Now you are going to have to make a prediction first, and then you'll go back and in the next video you'll look and see, are these predictions correct, and you'll be scoring it. Now that we've shown you the first one, let's do the second demonstration on your own. In this case, the cart will be accelerating down a ramp. Watch this one accelerate down the ramp and draw a distance versus time graph and a speed versus time graph. And then we'll move on to the third demonstration. This one accelerates up the ramp and stops. And then for the fourth demonstration, the cart will be going up and down the ramp. So there it goes, and comes back down the ramp one more time and down. Once you have completed all four of these graphs, you'll need to submit your predictions. So these are just the predictions. And then you will go to the next video on the next page to score your work.